Hello everyone, welcome back to Complete Web Development tutorial series. So, in the last lecture we have learned some of the basics of HTML. Today we are going to see some of the tags related to HTML. So, let us create a new file. So, for creating the file you should come here, and here you can see some options here. One is new file and the other is new folder. So, we are going to create a file, so we are clicking on this. Now, we are creating another file name index2 and the extension would be .html. Okay, the file extension for the HTML is .html. So, we have created another file here. Now, we have seen in the previous lecture how to create the boilerplate. You should just give the exclamatory sign and press and hit enter, then you are going to, and the VS Code will provide you with some boilerplate. Okay. So, inside the body section we are going to write the code. Every code you should write inside the body section. Okay. So, we have learnt about the tags. So, let us just recap some of our previous topics. Here we have learnt about the tags, which consist of two signs, which is greater than and less than sign. Okay. So, inside this whatever we want to write, we will write inside the these tags. Okay, and these tags, one is the opening tag, this one is the opening tag, and this one is the closing tag. And for differentiating between the opening tag and the closing tag, we are using slash, which is forward slash. Okay. So, this is the tag. So, now today we are going, at first we are going to see some of the tags. So, we are going to start with our paragraph tag. So, what is the paragraph tag and when it is used? So, for reference we are just going to Wikipedia, which I have already opened for you. So, here you can see, here we have a Wikipedia opened here about Alfred Nobel. Okay, and you can see there are many sort of things which is written in here, and this is separated. This one is a paragraph, this one is another paragraph. Okay. So, let us just copy this text here, copy it here, and let us just insert into our file here. I am just taking a p tag here. For the shortcut, you don't have to write the less than and greater than sign every time. You have to just, now we are going to take paragraph tag, right? So, I am just typing p and hitting enter. It will create a p tag for you with opening and closing tag. Okay. Now, I am pasting the text here. Okay. So, you can see our text is so much long here. So, it has taken the entire part. So, for that you can just find out the wrap options. Okay. Let us find the wrap option here. Okay. Let us just find out it. Okay. You can see here there is wrap option here. You have to just click this one and you can see the text has been sorted out. Okay. So, now if I just try to view the file here, we have to just click here and go run our live server. Okay. You can see the text has, all the text has been formed in a single line or a single paragraph. Okay. So, but we need two paragraphs, right? So, for that what we have to do is, we have to just take this part and just take another p tag and paste it inside this. Okay. I have saved it. Now, let me view it. Now, you can see these two paragraphs has been separated. Okay. So, this is the basic working thing of the paragraph tag. Okay. That means the paragraph tag is used to write separate paragraph. The number of paragraph you want to write, the number of paragraph tag you should take it. Okay. So, now let us explore some more tags here. Let us go back to Wikipedia, and you can see here this Alfred Nobel, this text is bold. So, how can we do that? in our code. So for doing a specific line or a word in bold, we use the bold tag or the B tag. So now I will take a B tag here. I am just pressing Ctrl X here and just typing a B. You can see as soon as I type B, they are showing the emmet abbreviation. That means this is the bold tag. I am hitting enter here, and inside this bold tag I am pasting it, Alfred Bernhard Nobel. Okay, and I am just saving it, and let me view it, that what changes have been made. You can see here this Alfred Bernhard Nobel has been highlighted to bold. Okay, so this is how the bold tag works. Okay, we have taken a B tag which represents the bold tag, and inside the B tag we have written whatever we want to write. So whatever you write inside this B tag or the bold tag, it will be modified to bold. Okay, so there is another tag which is similar to bold, which is strong tag. Okay, I am just showing you with this Swedish chemist. I will just do Ctrl X and strong. Okay, you can see they are suggesting here strong. I am entering strong, and inside the strong tag I have written Swedish chemist. Okay, I am saving it and let us view it. Okay, you can see here the Swedish chemist is also have been turned to bold. I am just increasing the size here. Now you can see it clearly that this Swedish chemist is also highlighted or also has been modified to bold. Okay, now there is a question that is these two tags are same and used for same purposes? Yeah, it's the same and used for same purposes, but this strong tag basically represent that this is importance. The strong tag is given more importance. Okay, and the B tag, like suppose you want something to be highlighted casually or normally, then you can use the B tag. But when something is important and you want to highlight it, then we use the strong tag. Okay, so let us go back to Wikipedia and let's see what changes we can do more. Here you can see some of the text, like if I come here for the Irish racehorse, so for here you can see these text are italic. Okay, so these texts are in italic form. So for italic, for doing a specific text in italic, we use the I tag. Okay, suppose in this line a member of prominent Nobel family, in this Nobel family I want to write it in a italic style. Okay, so for that I will use the italic tag or the I tag. Okay, the I tag is used for italic form. Okay, I am just typing I, and if I hit enter, they will give us the I tag, and I am just pasting it inside the I tag, Nobel family. So this should make these two words Nobel and family in an italic form. Okay, let us see what changes have been made in our code. Okay, you can see here a member of prominent Nobel family. So this Nobel family has been changed to italic tag. Okay, so this is the work of the I tag. So whatever you write inside the I tag, it will be transformed into italic form. So now we are going to look another tag which is pretty similar to I tag, which is EM tag. Okay, so EM basically stands for emphasizing. Okay, so let us just see, suppose I am just doing this Nobel displayed, these two words I am putting inside the EM tag. Okay, I am just writing EM and hitting enter. You can see the EM tag has been given by the code editor. Now I am just pasting the text here. Now let's see, at first let us see the difference, or let us see what difference has been made here. Okay, you can see here Nobel displayed has been turned to italic. Okay, now the question is that the I tag is also used. I have used the I tag for Nobel family, and I have used the EM tag for Nobel displayed. So both are the same. So what is the difference here? Okay, this is the question, right? Where is the difference? See, basically we will learn about more of the semantics in later on, but for now this em is used for more priority text which is to be done italic, and this I tag is used just used for the casual use. Okay, em carries more priority. Same for b tag and strong tag. The strong tag carries more priority than the b tag itself. Okay, so this is the basic difference between b tag and strong tag, and I tag and em tag. Okay, so now let us see another tag which is very important. Like, see, suppose you want this line after 24. You can see here the parent at the age of 24, he embarked on many businesses. So I want this line to go to the next line. Okay, so let us see. I am just hitting enter and doing it in the next line here. Let us see the changes has been made or not. You can see no changes has been made, but in the code editor I have written it in the next line, not in the same line, but no changes has been made here. The space has been ignored by the code editor. So for this, that if you want to break inside a line, you have to use the break tag. Okay, the short form of the break tag is BR. Okay, so if you just write BR and hit enter, you are going to get a tag. Okay, and this tag doesn't have a closing tag. So there are two types of tag. Okay, one is with opening tag and closing tag, and one is just there are just opening tag, not there they don't have any closing tag. So one is BR tag. So what does this BR tag do? This BR tag creates a new line. Okay, BR means break. That means don't write further in this line and go to the next line. Skip this line and go to the next line. So let us see here. You can see now after this 24, it has break and gone to the next line. So this is the basic thing of the break tag. Okay. Now let us go back to Wikipedia and let's see what we can do more inside our code. Here you can see the text are black, but these text are highlighted and it is blue in color, right? That means this is linked to something else. Like this is clickable, right? These text are not clickable, but this is clickable. If I click here, you can see they are directing to another page. Okay, if I click this, so these are directing to another page. Alright, so how can we do that in our code? So let us just try it. Okay, so here you can see if I click this dynamite, they are taking to dynamite, another page. So let us find here where is dynamite. Okay, here we can find a word called dynamite. So for this specific task we have our anchor tag. Okay, this tag is used to link any text to any website or something else. Okay, I am just taking this, cutting it, and I am writing an a tag here, and inside a tag there will be dynamite. Now here you can see here inside a tag there is an attribute. Okay, what is an attribute? The attribute is an attribute, it comes inside the text, and the attributes you can see here there is two double quote, and inside the double quote you should give the value of the attribute. We will talk about attributes and its value in the future. So for now, here you should enter the address of the site where if any user clicks on dynamite, where will this redirect to. Okay, so now I want to redirect the user to this website. So I am just taking this link here, entire link here, copying it by Ctrl C and pasting it inside the double quote here. Okay, and saving it. Now let us go to our text. Okay, now you can see here that this text is not in black color, this is in another color and it is clickable. If I hover the cursor here, you can see there is a hand, and if I move the cursor behind, you can see this is not clickable, but this now has become clickable. So for doing something clickable, we use the anchor tag. Okay, now if I click on this here, you can see this has been redirected to this website of Wikipedia, which is Dynamite, and this link we have provided here. Okay, so in today's lecture we have seen some of the basic HTML tags, and there are many HTML tags. Okay, like there are more than 145 HTML tags, but we don't need every one of them. Okay, we will, and you don't have to remember or memorize any of them. You will learn along the code, and you don't have to memorize. It will get automatically. Okay, we will learn one by one which will be needed for us, and we will just learn that things only. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.